Greetings once again, INSE stick vacuum fans. So little less than 2 weeks ago, my INSE V120, it broke. And it was probably an electrical system, and it was probably the battery. They did want the old unit back, so I sent that back to them. That didn't, cost me anything. They sent me a return label. And here we are with a new V120, entirely new V120. So big thumbs up for INSE for getting my problem taken care of. So that's great. And if you've had a good customer service experience or any other customer service experience with INSE, please let me know in the comments below. So I've already done, obviously, a full unboxing and test of this V120. So we don't need to do the exact same thing in the same way, but I do want to take everything out and make sure that it works. So how about, let's see, we'll do it this way. And we have the quick start guide. It's funny, unboxing the exact same make and model twice. Here's the quick start guide and probably warranty, user manual, everything like that. Okay, that's great. And here's some wall mount screws, anchors, right? That's in there. And, in some cases, I look at these unboxing videos to remind me how to put stuff back into the box because I have so many. So here is charger, okay. And this does have a playlist. So if you're new to my channel, I have lots of playlists. I mean, 100+ playlists, and you can see everything more than what I'm going to cover right now in the playlist for this particular machine. So let's see, we've got some brackets, and you got the battery, and it is a pretty big battery. There we go. And I think this was the item that caused the problems previously, but I don't know exactly. It could be something else, but it certainly was an electrical problem. I bet I could guarantee that. Here is the power nozzle. Yeah, 30-watt power nozzle. And it's got a piece of plastic on it to keep it from getting scratched. All right. Here's more of the mounting hardware if you want to put it on your wall. Here's another filter. It's nice to have another filter. Companies that go and they sell you a product and they know you're going to be waiting for a filter to dry, these aren't that expensive. So thanks to INSE for actually giving you not one but 2 filters. So while you're waiting for one to dry, you can put a dry one in and keep going with your vacuuming. Let's see here. This is the crevice tool combination. Nozzle, crevice tool, and little dusting brush. All right. Fantastic. Pardon me. And we have the non-adjustable wand. So fixed length wand. All right, that looks in great shape. Here's the main power unit. And it's got a little piece of plastic on the rear. And let me see if there's anything else hiding. I think that is it. Yeah, so those are all the pieces. There's nothing left. Don't fall. There's nothing left to pull out of the box. Okay, we're all here. And how about I check to see what kind of charge the battery has? What did they ship it with? You won't be able to see this. Okay, it says 70. So it's around a 3/4 charge. And let's see if the power nozzle works. Turn it over so you can see it spin. Yep, that's it. So let's see, speeds. Low, medium, and then maximum. So that is working just fine. Medium. And that's maximum. Okay, this appears to be working just fine. So what I'm going to do is charge the battery up, and if anything changes somehow, I will let you know as I did previously. Yeah, see, I love it that you have 2 filters. So that's great. So these don't cost much, and companies should just simply provide them. Let's face it. All right, thanks for watching, and thanks once again for INSE for providing the original review product and the working replacement. Big thumbs up for their customer service.